Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum, dear student. Hope you all will be fine. Dear student, as you know, our second term has been started. So today we are going to start our first lecture for class nursery, and today we are going to learn our first subject. It's English. As dear student, you know, we already learned about the alphabet A to P in our first term. So today we are going to start the next one alphabet, that how to write and pronounce the next alphabet, that is Q, R, S and T. That in our today's lecture we are going to learn how to write these alphabets. Now dear student, what comes after P? It's Q. Q, and the phonic of Q is Q. Q को queen. Again Q को queen. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, it's a capital Q. And today we are going to learn how to write a small q. आज हम सीखेंगे कि small q को कैसे लिखा जाता है. Now start with me. हम capital q को जैसा कि हम center 3 lines में लिखते हैं, तो हम small q को last 3 lines में लिखते हैं. Now how to write q? First one, हम make a circle in center 2 line, then go upward and then downward. Touch the last one line in the tail. It's a small q. Now again कैसे? सबसे पहले सेंटर 2 लाइन में हम एक दायरा बनाएंगे, हाथ को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे एंड देन नीचे की तरफ लास्ट लाइन को टच करते हुए एंड द टेल. इट्स अ स्मॉल अल्फाबेट q. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट, अगेन अब हम अगेन देखेंगे कि q को कैसे लिखा जाता है. Make a circle in center 2 line, go upward, then downward, touch the last one line and a tail. It's a small alphabet Q. As dear student, Q is a root letter and we will write the Q in the last 3 lines. It's a small alphabet Q. Again repeat it. Make a circle in center 2 line, go upward and then downward and a tail. It's a small alphabet Q. Now dear student, the next one alphabet is R. What comes after Q? It's R. As we will write this capital R in the first 3 line. So the small r, how to write small r? We will write the small r in the center 2 line, as it's a gross letter. And how to write the small r? First one, make a straight line in the center 2 line like this, and then from a midpoint, center point से हम a slanting line upward and then a small curve. It's a small r. Repeat it again. How to write small r? A straight line in the center 2 line like this. Then from midpoint, हम center point से a slanting line upward and then a tail. It's a small r. Dear student, what the phonic of r? R, r. The phonic of r is r. R, r, rat. R, r, ran. Again, r, r, rat and the r, r, ran. It's a phonic of r. Now repeat it again. How to write the small r? In center 2 line, make a straight line like this and then a slanting line upward and then a curve. It's a small r. Again, how to write r? A straight line in the center 2 line, then go upward, a slanting line and then a tail. It's a small r. Now dear student, the next one alphabet is S. What comes after R? It's S. Q, R and S. S, we will write the capital S in the first 3 lines. हम जो capital S को first 3 lines में लिखते हैं. Now how to write the small s? Small s को हम center 2 lines में लिखेंगे. It's a gross letter. जिस तरह हम capital S को लिखते हैं, likewise हमने small s को center 2 line में लिखना है. Like this. It's a small s. Again repeat. It's a small s. जिस तरह हम कैपिटल एस को लिखते हैं, बिल्कुल सेम वैसे ही हमने स्मॉल एस को सेंटर टू लाइन में लिखना है. नाउ अगेन इट्स अ स्मॉल एस. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट, व्हाट्स द फोनिक ऑफ एस? एस. The phonic of S is S sun, S star. Again S sun and S star. Now dear students, what comes after S? It's T. Q, R, S and T. Now how to write T? It's very easy. The T is the sky letter and we will write the small t in the first three line. Starting from the upper line, make a straight line downward in the first three line and a curve upward and a small line like this. Now again a straight line downward in the first three line, then make a tail and then a small line like this. Again repeat how to write small t. In the first three line, make a straight line, then a tail and a straight line. Small straight line like this. It's a small t. Again T. As T is a sky letter and we will write the small t in the first three lines. Dear student, the phonic of T is ta. T, ta, tiger. T, ta, train. Again, T, ta, tiger. T, ta, train. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये थे हमारे नेक्स्ट 4 अल्फ़ाबेट जिनको अभी हमने लिखना सीखा. अब हम इनकी प्रैक्टिस नोटबुक्स पे करेंगे कि इनको कैसे नोटबुक्स पे हम लिखेंगे. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम कॉपी पे लिखना सीखेंगे कि Q, R, S एंड T को कैसे लिखा जाता है. फर्स्ट वन आप डेट मेंशन करेंगे जस्ट लाइक जैसा कि आज डेट है 6 जनवरी 2021 एंड द डे इज द वेडनेसडे. एज द फर्स्ट वन अल्फाबेट इज Q. As what comes after P, it's Q. Then how to write Q? As we learn how to write Q, अब हम इसको कॉपी पे लिखना सीखेंगे कि कैसे लिखते हैं. जैसा कि हमें 4 लाइन्स दी गई हैं, अब हम Q को लिखेंगे. सेंटर टू लाइन्स में अ सर्कल, गो अपवर्ड एंड देन डाउनवर्ड एंड अ टेल. इट्स अ स्मॉल Q. अगेन सेंटर टू लाइन में सर्कल, देन गो डाउनवर्ड एंड अ टेल. इट्स अ स्मॉल Q. अगेन Q. इट्स अ स्मॉल अल्फ़ाबेट Q. आपने पेरेंट्स की मदद से ऐसे ही अपनी नोटबुक्स पे प्रैक्टिस करनी है कि अल्फ़ाबेट्स को कैसे लिखा जाता है. द नेक्स्ट वन इज R. How to write small r? In center to line, make a straight line downward. Then from center, a slanting line upward and then a curve. It's a small R. Again R. It's a small alphabet R. आपने अपने पेरेंट्स की मदद से ऐसे ही अपनी कॉपीज पे इन अल्फ़ाबेट्स की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज S. हाउ टू राइट S? इन दी सेंटर टू लाइन, write small s just like a capital S. It's a small s. The next and the last one is T. So how to write T? In the first T line, make a straight line downward and a tail and a small line like this. It's a small T. T. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये थे हमारे आज के अल्फ़ाबेट्स जिनको हमने लिखना सीखा Q, R, S एंड T. आपने अपनी नोटबुक्स पे ऐसे ही अपने पेरेंट्स की मदद से इनको करना है एंड पेरेंट्स भी अपने बच्चों की एज अ टीचर हेल्प करेंगे और उनको गाइड करेंगे. अब हम इन अल्फ़ाबेट्स को फोनिक्स के साथ पढ़ेंगे कि इनको फोनिक्स के साथ कैसे पढ़ा जाता है. डियर स्टूडेंट, ओपन योर इंग्लिश रीडर Dear student, open the reader page number 31. The alphabet is Q. The phonic of Q is Q. Q, quack, Quran. Q, quack, quill. Q, quack, quell. Q, quack, queen. Q, quack, quilt. Q, क्या? Q. Here we have a question. Make a Q is a dash habit. Q कहते हैं कतार बनाने को. क्या कतार बनाना good habit है या bad? So it's a good habit. So tick on this one. You have to trace this one capital and the small q. The next one is R. Rambo. R, rose. R, rabbit. R, robot. R, rain. R, rat. Again, R, Rambo. R, robot. R, rose. R, rabbit. R, rain. R, rat. Now, the question is how many colors are there in the rainbow? So, how many colors? 7, 5 or 6? Dear students, there are 7 colors in the rainbow. So, you have to take on the option A and trace the capital and the small r. The next one alphabet on the page number 33 is S. S, the phonic of S is S. S, sun. S, socks. S, strawberry. Saw. S, scissor. S, straw. Again, S, sun. Saw. S, socks. S, strawberry. S, scissor. S, straw. Now, what have the plants to grow? What have the plants to grow? It's a moon, sunlight or a cloud. So dear students, the sunlight helps the plants to grow. जो sunlight है वो क्या करता है? Plants को help करता है grow करने में. So tick the option B. And the last one, it's a T. The phonic of T is T. T to tiger. T to tree. T to train. T to taxi. T to tomato. T to tie. Now, dear student, T provides us what? It's a telephone, water, wood or the fruits. So, tree provide us woods. So, tick this one. And you have to trace the small and the capital T. Dear student, it was all about today's working. Hope so you will practice all these working with the help of your parents and write all these alphabet neat and clean on your notebooks. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Fi Aman Allah.